Hello and welcome back to another recipe video from Eat Skinny Life. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can make chicken noodle soup. Really easy, takes about 20 minutes, really delicious, really filling and packed full of flavour. And also if you would like to keep up to date with new recipe videos just like this one, consider hitting the subscribe button as well so you don't miss out on any future videos. So let's get cooking. And that is it, chicken noodle soup. Really easy to make, packed full of flavour, and I'm sure you'll be making this many times in the future. Thank you so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, consider hitting the like button. And again, if you want to keep up to date with new recipe videos, consider hitting the subscribe button as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.